another good cause. Ricky Martin was also on hand to kick off the 9th annual Carnegie Hall benefit to save the world's rainforests. This year's all-star lineup features a perfect marriage of song and dance, accompanied by a tribute to Old Blue Eyes, the late Frank Sinatra.
It was a great thrill. You know, the whole evening was just wonderful.
The evening just seemed to slide right by, you know. It was just light, delightful, fun.
For me, it was Bill Murray singing My Way. It was moving, very moving.
But more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Since creating the Rainforest Foundation 10 years ago, Sting and his wife, Trudy Styler, have raised more than $9 million to protect rainforests in 18 countries.